Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Who doesn't like breakfast? There are so many delicious food items to choose from. Pancakes, waffles, granola, different egg dishes like omelets, shashuka, and so on. When it comes to sides, there are beans, potatoes, sausages, biscuits. Oh wait, talking about potatoes, I have a great recipe for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my hash brown potatoes. This American side dish is just amazing. They are perfect to serve with your eggs in the morning, but can also be paired with burgers, steaks, grilled chicken, etc. It's a nice recipe to have on hand. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here are the potatoes that we've peeled. Mine are quite small. And now they're soaking in cold water to prevent browning from oxidation. Now let's shred them. Either we use a box grater with the largest shredding holes or a food processor with the grater blade, which works like a charm. And I choose this one. It's too early in the morning to shred by hand. So we'll grate them all up, and if you use this kitchen tool, you'll have to cut them smaller to fit. Next, we'll drop them in a medium bowl. And as you can see, they already start to oxidize. But it's okay, because it won't matter after we cook them, and they'll taste lovely. We'll now pour in some cold water and swirl them around to dislodge the starch. See the foam on top? This is starch, and we don't want that. So we'll have to drain out the water. We'll do it again, adding cold water, swirling them around, then drain them, and repeat until the water runs clear, maybe a couple more times. From here, we'll transfer them onto a thin, clean dish towel and gather the corners tightly so the shredded potatoes stay in. We'll hold it over a bowl and squeeze out as much liquid as possible, and you'll be surprised by the amount you get. We'll transfer the potatoes to a large bowl, and to this, we'll add garlic powder, some hot paprika, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until all the ingredients are combined. Now, all these spices are optional. This is what I use when I make my hash brown. Alright, we're ready to cook them. In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add bacon fat. You can always use oil, but what a shame! That's why it's important to keep the fat when you cook bacon strips. So when it gets hot, we'll add our potatoes and spread them evenly in the pan so they cook uniformly. We'll let them sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll flip them over and see, there's a little crust starting to form. We'll spread them again and let them sit for another 5 minutes. We'll keep flipping them over until we get a serious crust going. Something similar to this. Now, what I like to do is when the moisture has evaporated, is to gather it a bit more to the center. After half an hour, some of you might like the way they are right now. We prefer them crispier. Therefore, I cook them longer until I get this kind of color and texture. Look at this. At this point, if you like yours like us, we're almost done. Another 5 minutes on the other side. It takes roughly 40 minutes to cook them nice and crispy. And we'll serve them immediately. And my friends, these are our hash brown potatoes. golden brown and absolutely delicious, this is an amazing side dish to serve with bacon and eggs in the morning. It's an easy recipe to add to your folder, so don't forget to make them this coming weekend. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit cookfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!